Well, the job market is showing promising growth here in the Miami Valley.
Yeah, employment numbers, they are up back to the pre-pandemic levels. That means Dayton has recovered from that hit it took during the pandemic. 2 News reporter Riley Phillips joins us live in the studio, digging deeper into what these numbers mean. Riley?
The Dayton area's unemployment rate is down 0.5% from this time last year, and local economists say this is a good sign when it comes to fighting inflation. Like many areas of the country, the COVID-19 pandemic wreaked havoc on the Miami Valley, with more than 57,000 jobs disappearing by April 2020. But those numbers are looking better. According to projections from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Dayton area gained back all of those jobs plus more.
I think our region fared particularly well in capturing those opportunities, and we ended up with 2 back-to-back record-setting years in terms of economic projects and the associated capital investment and jobs that went with it.
The latest payroll data shows more than 62,000 jobs were added to the Dayton area since April 2020. More than 9,000 were added since this time last year. Stephanie Kyneth from the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce says this is a testament to the work being done by state and local partners to make the Miami Valley more attractive for companies.
We certainly represent a market that is affordable, that does have some great resources when it comes to workforce. We've got a really robust higher ed and education talent pipeline.
Despite a recovered job market, people are still dealing with high prices and high inflation. Jeff Haymond, a professor of economics at Cedarville University, says wages are still not keeping up with the rate of inflation.
What we've seen is that a whole, since the pandemic started, we've lost quite a lot of purchasing power. Real wages are still down. We are not back to where we were before the pandemic started.
But he says a strong job market is still a good indicator of economic health, and it can help with inflation.
We don't need to lose jobs, in other words, to get inflation down. In fact, I think it's just the opposite. The more people that are working, the more people that are producing additional goods and services will tend to let the amount of money that the government has pumped in the economy go a little bit farther, and that will bring inflation down.
And Dayton leaders say their focus now is workforce development. They're working with community partners to make the Miami Valley an attractive place to live, and they're working with organizations to train the next generation of workers. In the studio, Riley Phillips, 2 News.